I just turned on the fan. And we got no air movement. I'm going to be working in a swamp. Lovely. No screws in it. Alright. I got to try to get down where I can see things. This board over here tells me we're going to have a variable speed blower motor, or at least I think that's what it is. That's not good. Alright, that little LED light you see in there, that light tells me we have voltage over here and we have low voltage. What I want to do right now is check to make sure I have a call on my green wire. Right here, if y'all can see that. We don't have common hooked up. There was a reason, like at the thermostat, we didn't have enough wires, and we have a 2-stage gas valve, so we had to use a thermostat with batteries and get rid of common. Shocking me, so I think I'm getting 24 volts. I am. It says 28 right there. So that means we got to get over there in the swamp right here. Okay, I hope y'all can see that. We have us a variable speed blower motor, and one with the I think that's a 16-pin connector. Lovely. One thing that means is if it is the motor, even if it's the board, I can't fix it today. We have no Trane suppliers near us, no American Standard suppliers near us. The closest one is in Macon, I think, which is about 80 minutes away from us, so we don't drive there. They have to deliver to us, and today is Friday. I'm testing to make sure we are getting voltage. I'm trying to do this in a way where you can see it. green wire is going to be ground. These two are going to be my power. It should be getting 240 volts. 249. All right, what I'm looking for is my motor tester kit, and it's this. I use this one, and we're going to see if it's the motor or the board. All right, that's my 16 pin connector, or however many pins it is. Hook to that. And let me see, that is adapter A. Adapter A. That right there should tell us what we need. I'm going to stick that up here, and we're going to test the motor. I'm going to hook this one, that's for common, up to the common on the contactor. Hook this one up to green because we know it's getting called. We know we got power because we have LEDs. And let's see. This right here is what tells us what should be on. If we just want fan, the fan should be coming on. Alright, this one says not active. Put it in center. Pull one. Pull two. Nothing's working. Nothing. Nothing. So I've got to assume it's the motor. 2010, 15 years old. All right, so there were a few complications with that motor and changing it. First, I'm not sure I'm going to be able to get it out. I think I can, so I didn't try, but there is limited space there. But I called Trane to see about the OEM variable speed motor, and it took me over 3 hours just to get in touch with them. By that time, I've already dropped an estimate for a 3/4 horsepower X13 motor. I mean, I can't wait 3 hours to talk to somebody. And then the price of their motor was twice the price of a replacement constant torque motor. I actually thought it was going to be more than that. I thought it was going to be 3 to 4 times the price. So I'm going to revise my estimate and give them an option for an OEM motor. And because the whole thing is pricey, I had to leave an estimate. I couldn't fix it right there on the spot. I had the X13 motor with me, but for something that big, I need approval first. So we'll see what happens with that one. I hope you enjoyed that little video. If you did, how about like and subscribe? And I'll catch you on the next one.